According to our Chilliz cost expectation 2023, the token is supposed to have a most extreme cost of $1.05 with a base cost of 10 cents. Chilliz is supposed to arrive at the greatest value level of 42 cents as per our CHZ cost forecast 2025. Based on our Chilliz coin cost forecast 2030, the normal cost of CHZ coin may be around 89 cents toward the finish of 2030. As of now, the Chilliz coin cost is exchanging around 10 cents, which is practically 4.6% down from the last week and 1% down from most recent 24 hours. Regardless of the negative opinion, Chilliz Crypto has figured out how to hold its cost level above $0.099 starting from the start of 2023. This mirrors the likelihood that the Chilliz coin cost might go up and could raise a ruckus around town mark by 2025. In the event that you are searching for a Chilliz gauge, our top-to-bottom examination means to respond to your inquiries like, is Chilliz worth purchasing? Could Chilliz at any point reach $10? Before we start with itemized Chilliz cost expectation, we should jump into the coin's specialized investigation. Chilliz specialized examination Chilliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. In January 2020, it saw the most exorbitant cost acceleration to $0.009. However, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the place of $0.004 because of the pandemic effect. The Chilliz coin cost spike that occurred in 2020 is related to the declaration made by the Chilliz undertaking to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During November 2020, Chilliz's cost arrived at a lower $0.010. Until January 2021, it just showed a negligible recuperation. Notwithstanding, the exhibition of Chilliz toward the start of 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of $0.05353 by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ on the cost front, alongside volume. Starting from the start of WAC 2021, the cost of Chilliz has reflected gigantic development, denoting another unequaled high at the $0.8915 mark. In any case, from that point forward, the token confronted a slight remedy, however later, in November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. In 2022, the CHZ token cost exchanged a reach somewhere in the range of 29 cents and $0.093 with a negative strain. Notwithstanding, in the wake of hitting $0.1 the last December, Chilliz has denoted a moderate recuperation, and presently, it exchanges around $0.119. At the hour of compassing this specialized examination and Chilliz crypto cost forecast, the cost of the CHZ token was 10 cents, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of CHZ is $26,652,997, and the market cap of Chilliz was $703,195,308, with a circling supply of 7 billion. CHZ coin cost forecast recommends that Chilliz could convey great returns by acquiring a sought-after position among computerized coins in the following couple of years. All the more significantly, despite the fact that the new exhibition of Chilliz (CHZ) has not SAR on the trade, ascending to greatness, one conspicuous reality that arises here is that the cost of Chilliz is staying put, increment, and fill in the market in full sprout, according to our Chilliz cost expectation. Click here to become more about long-haul digital currency estimates. Chilliz value expectation 2023. As of late, Chilliz crossed the 17 cents mark in February, interestingly starting from the start of 2023. As indicated by our CHZ cost expectation for 2023, Chilliz is supposed to cross the degree of 26 cents. Before the year's over, Chilliz is anticipated to have a base value level of 10 cents. Likewise, the CHZ cost is equipped for having a typical value level of 18 cents. Chilliz crypto value expectation 2024, CHZ expectation for 2024, predicts that the most extreme cost and least cost to be 34 cents and 24 cents, individually. The most probable Chilliz cost will be consistent at around 29 cents, in light of our Chilliz crypto cost expectation. Chilliz value expectation 2025 as per CHZ cost forecast 2025, in a drawn-out situation, the cost of Chilliz is set to get a move on with other cryptographic forms of money to obviously show up at the very least cost of 29 cents and a greatest cost of 42 cents inside a couple of days of its entering 2025. CHZ estimate depicts a stunning hopefulness anticipated for the CHZ cost, essentially because of its predictable exhibition throughout the long term. Chilliz coin value expectation 2026, violating all restrictions north of 2026, would certainly give indications of fortune for its financial backers. As per our Chilliz expectation, upheld by strong brilliant agreements, the greatest value level of CHZ crypto will be around 51 cents in 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around 35 cents and 43 cents, separately. Chilliz expectation 2027. The street ahead is loaded with pedals according to the CHZ cost conjecture, gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chilliz cost, taking it to cross all obstructions scaling point of the most extreme cost of 62 cents. In correlation, the base and normal costs might be 43 cents and 53 cents, separately. CHZ value forecast 2028. Of every 2028, the CHZ token will exchange at a limit of 74 cents, with a base cost of 51 cents. Simultaneously, our Chilliz cost expectation shows that the symbolic will have a typical cost of around 62 cents all year long. Chilliz estimate 2029. Thinking about there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital currency market, Chilliz crypto cost expectation expects the cost is good to go to insist areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. Chilliz's cost may handily cross a most extreme cost of 82 cents, as per our CHZ coin cost expectation 2029. Chilliz value expectation 2030. In light of our CHZ cost forecast 2030, the normal cost is supposed to be around 89 cents, with a possible low of 73 cents and a likely high of $1.05. The Chilliz cost vacillations in the crypto market are not supposed to be extremely unstable or have high gamble. According to the Chilliz value expectation and specialized examination, in 2023, the cost of Chilliz is supposed to reach at least value worth of 13 cents. The CHZ cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of 14 cents, with the typical worth of 13 cents. The year 2023 can end with a typical cost of 13 cents and a base value worth of 12 cents. The most extreme cost is supposed to exchange around 14 cents, according to Chilliz cost forecast. A drawn-out increment isn't normal in light of wallet financial backer Chilliz gauge. The CHZ cost expectation during the current year is $0.00959. CHZ can be a high-risk one-year speculation choice, as your ongoing venture might be downgraded from now on. Chilliz. The devoted group of followers. Another fan-following component arising on this scene of the Chilliz network is the local token CHZ, which empowers fans to trade Chilliz tokenized casting of ballot rights utilizing fan tokens. The token likewise gives admittance to the encoded record of casting a ballot rights possession. Fan Token Contribution, FTO, offers limited fan tokens. Avid supporters can uphold clubs like AC Milan, FC Barcelona,